Hey, Esa,
Oh, hello everyone.
what are you doing there?
I'm still playing here.
Are you playing?
Yeah, because I'm bored,
Oh,
just staying in my home.
oh my
So I'm just
gosh.
sitting here,
You
enjoying
sitting
the
there?
nature.
Oh, yeah, it's great.
Look at the bugs they are singing for us now.
Yeah, it's very good sound,
Yeah,
It's the ambient, oh my
the
gosh.
ambient is really relaxing, right?
Yeah.
You can get a relaxed time here, not just getting like in a mountain or in river. No, it's more relaxing here.
Why are you hiding here?
I'm not hiding.
You're
I just
hiding,
get
I
bored.
think.
Maybe
I'm
it
looking
might be
at
because
you.
I'm sitting here and nobody watch me. I guess.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so I
because
find you here. And you still look like hiding, guys.
of course I'm hiding in it. Because now I want to reveal a secret.
Oh, a secret? Secret about what?
Come here, more closer here. Yes, guys, in front of me now,
Yeah?
there is many things now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What's that?
And in the segment, I want to reveal some secret of chemicals. There's many chemicals that say NPK, right?
Yeah.
We can make it organic.
Oh, you want to make an organic NPK?
That's right.
Oh my
And also it's
gosh.
liquid, guys. It's the liquid version of it.
Oh, yeah.
There's many that in the store that sell it's chemicals, right?
Yeah.
But we can make it natural here.
You want to make it nature and
Yeah.
you want to show us how to make it?
That's right. Of course,
Oh
I want
my
to show
God.
you so all of you will be more smarter every day, guys.
Oh, interesting.
Oh.
It's really interesting, guys.
And Hilda, it's a bug that's singing for us,
Oh,
And
yeah.
also bird chirping here.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I can already prepare all the things here.
Oh, yeah?
We got many things, but it's really easy to make, guys.
Easy to make?
Yeah, we just need to mix it, all of it.
So everybody can make it?
Of course, everybody can make it. Even you are still a child, if you watch this video closely and you have the attention for it,
Yeah.
paying attention to our video,
Okay.
you'll make it easy. So easy, and you can sell it, guys, if you want.
Oh, my
It can be a business
Oh,
if you
yeah.
have a smart mind.
Yeah.
If you want to sell it, you can
Yeah.
sell it, and it's pretty cheap to make.
Oh, I see.
I have already prepared many things here. The
Oh,
first
yeah.
one
What
is
is that?
slurry.
Lorry?
Oh yeah.
What kind of thing that's?
Have you ever know about the rice grain?
Yeah.
It's getting grinded,
Yeah.
and mainly it's purpose for feeding a chicken, right?
Mm-hmm.
But we extract the water from it.
Oh,
From the
so
things
you
like this.
got that kind of liquid from that
Yeah, this
rice grain?
rice grain, but it's already grinded
Oh,
until more
yeah.
smoother. And we extract from the water here, guys. And the process of extraction is really easy.
Oh, yeah.
You need to mix it with
Yeah.
water, so the water will get the
That's
extract.
all?
That's all.
Oh, my
It's
God.
not hard, right?
Yeah, it's
So the
easy, I
water will
think.
contain B12.
Oh, B12. Vitamin B12.
That's right.
Oh, my gosh. You are really, really smart, guys.
And did you know, guys, the meaning of NPK?
I don't know.
It's
Can you
a it's a
explain
three
me?
symbols or three chemicals here.
Yeah?
It's
What's
a
that?
natrium,
Mm-hmm.
phosphor,
Phosphor?
yeah,
Oh,
and the third one is calcium.
calcium. Also, it's called NPK.
Yeah. It's different with calcium, guys,
Oh,
because
yeah,
we already
yeah.
make it in the previous video, right?
Yeah,
So it's
yeah.
calcium.
The calcium, not calcium, right?
Yeah, that's right. And the second one,
What is that?
it's
It
also the
looks
same with
so
this.
green.
It's extracted from the
Oh,
leaf, from a calor leaf.
calor leaf. And
Here's
what kind of calor leaf like?
like
Oh,
this.
like
It's
that?
the physical appearance of calor leaves.
Oh, and you have extracted?
Of course, I have extracted, and it's pretty easy also, guys.
Oh,
Just
how can we extract it?
Just the same like before.
Yeah.
We mix it with the water and we mash it there.
Oh, that's
So
so
all the
easy.
chemicals in this leaf
Yeah.
will goes into the water.
Oh,
So-
and it's turned green, right?
That's right.
Oh my
Because
gosh.
it contains a chlorophyll here.
Yeah, chlorophyll. What kind of what is the content of the calor leaf?
It contains a lot of nitrogen.
Oh,
Oh yeah, guys. I almost forget. The first one is not natrium, but nitrogen.
nitrogen. Oh my God.
Wait, I spill
Oh,
it.
it's spirit, right?
It contains a lot of nitrogen here,
Mm-hmm.
and it's pretty good for our plants.
Oh, so it be combined with the first thing
Yeah,
that
the first
you
thing.
say?
It's content of nitrogen
Uh-huh.
and it contains of phosphor.
Phosphor. Oh my gosh.
So the third one, guys, is also we have a coconut water here
Coconut water?
for the
Oh,
extraction.
for the extraction
Yeah,
of
for
the
make
liquids?
that's right.
All
For
right.
making the bacteria grows more bigger
Yeah.
and more spreader,
Oh yeah. Okay.
more massive.
More massive. Oh my god.
It's pretty easy to make, guys.
All right.
And I think you already know about it if you watch our previous video. It's
Yeah.
molasses.
Is this
Yeah.
molasses?
You know the function of it?
Yeah.
What is it?
For the food of the microorganism.
That's right.
All right.
So you get
Oh.
my point then?
Yeah. I'm getting smart, you know.
Yeah, you're getting smart every day. And
Because I always got a new knowledge from you, right?
and what it is? I already explained about it before.
Yeah.
What
What's
is it?
that? What is that?
It's EM4.
EM4. My gosh.
Effective microorganism.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the food for this microorganism, guys. The molasses here.
Oh, the
It's pretty easy to
molasses.
make, you know.
Oh yeah.
And I think if you are already watching an old video,
Yeah.
you will notice
What is that?
it's a probiotic.
Is it yogurt?
Yeah, it's yogurt, and yogurt contains a lot of probiotic, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
we mix it,
yeah, yeah. I see.
so it will
I know.
grows more faster. You know?
Oh, it
And
more microorganism is growing faster.
that's right. And this one is the banana.
A banana.
We can use many types of banana,
Yeah,
and now we use the overripe one
yeah.
because it will be more sweeter,
Mm-hmm.
and also it will be the food for the microorganism also
Oh.
because it contains a lot of phosphor, calcium, and nitrogen.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. And what is this?
This one,
Yeah.
you know about it.
What is that?
It's really commonly found everywhere.
What is that? I don't know.
It's the center of banana stem.
Oh, I see. I see. Yeah,
You know what,
yeah.
guys? It's really rich in nutrition.
Oh my gosh. I just know that.
You just know it, yeah?
Yeah.
And this fertilizer, before I make it,
Yeah.
there's the three function of it.
What is that?
The nitrogen for the leaf, for the growing of the leaf.
Yeah.
The phosphorus for the root, of course.
Okay.
And the kalium is for the stem, from the bark of the.
Oh, that is function of NPK.
That's right. And also NPK help the plant grows more bigger and adding the nutrition to the plant.
Oh, right, all right, all right. I can wait any longer.
You can wait any longer.
Yeah.
Okay.
How can you make the NPK liquid?
It's pretty easy. You know?
Organic NPK liquid.
The first one,
Yeah.
we need to put all of this water
Oh.
into this kind of jug here.
Oh
That
yeah.
we're gonna just follow up with us, guys. Because there are
Okay.
many steps here.
Yeah.
It's really easy.
Okay.
Look at it. It's the Larry one.
The Larry one. The first thing that you want to mix it, right?
That's right. So we mix it like this. We put all of it in this jug first.
Yeah. Oh. You want to make a formula for NPK liquid, right?
That's right. We want to make a formula for it. Just using like this, guys. It's
Oh,
many here. And
yeah.
you also can use a wheat extraction, you know.
Okay.
It's almost the same with the rice.
Yeah.
The second one is this one.
What's that?
The extract from kelor leaf.
Kelor leaf.
That
All right.
contains a lot of nitrogen.
Nitrogen there. And it looks so green, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh my gosh. This guy make an NPK liquid.
Yeah.
An organic.
Many of the stores just sell the chemicals one, right?
Yeah.
But in reality, we can make it, guys.
Oh,
pretty
and it's
easy to
safe
make.
for our plant, right?
That's right. It's really safe for our plant.
Mm-hmm.
So the second one is the coconut water here.
Coconut water. All right. Oh. How long we can ferment it for this kind of liquid?
It's around 2 weeks, but every 3 days you must mix it, guys, until it has the flavor, not the flavor, but it have a smell like a fermented cassava. You know?
Oh, so it works.
So it works. It's not depends on 2 weeks or 3 weeks, but
Yeah.
until it have the smell like a cassava, fermented cassava.
Yeah.
So that's already done.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I see, I see. All right.
So the next one, I
Yeah.
want to put it this
Yeah.
here.
All of that.
Yeah, all of it, of course.
Yeah. So in the 2 week, I think they will be
Will be.
mixed with the liquid, right?
That's right. And we're gonna also have to make the video of testing it, guys.
Mm-hmm.
If we already fermented,
Yeah.
so we make the
Oh, to prove it, right?
to prove it. That's right. So the next one, we use the banana.
Mm-hmm.
We put it all of it here. Wait, where's my knife?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, this one.
Oh
I almost
my
forget it.
god.
Oh, this is overripe banana, guys. So it's more sweeter.
Yeah.
You can eat it, but I'm not eating it now because I
Yeah.
have a fasting.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm meditating now.
Oh, you meditating
Yeah, for my health.
from your health?
Yeah, because fasting is really have many health beneficial, you know.
Yeah.
No, I forgot. You must mush it first, guys, like this.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. Maybe you can use the skin too.
The skin,
Yeah.
not probably. That's great.
You don't need to peel it, I think.
It could be like this. Oh
Yeah.
my God, it's spreading everywhere.
Yeah, that's great because an organic,
Yeah, it's organic,
so we can put
and the
anything.
microbes gonna eat it, right?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this already done.
Yeah, it's almost done. We
Almost
use all of
done.
it, guys.
Okay.
It's pretty sweet now.
Mm-hmm. Wow. And we waited for about 2 weeks.
Yeah, for 2 weeks until it have the
Smell.
smell of a fermented cassava.
Oh, I see.
Oh my God! Look at this scenery, guys.
Yeah.
Just unbelievable. Look at that. There's many
Oh yeah.
trees there.
Yeah,
First
you're right.
tree.
Oh, there's a bird singing there.
Yeah. Singing for us,
Yeah.
and we're in the middle of nowhere.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And you're fortunate that you didn't get lost.
Oh yeah. I know that.
I always be afraid when you coming here, and I afraid that you are getting lost, you know,
Oh yeah.
because in the middle of nowhere.
Okay then.
So you done. Now it's the activation of the microbes, guys.
Yeah.
The first one maybe I will put the Yakult.
Yeah.
It's depend on you guys. You can put the EM4 first or the Yakult first.
Yeah.
It's up to you. But I will use my Yakult first.
The important thing that we must mix that kind of things to one
That's right.
container, right?
That's the important thing.
Yeah.
It's no matter if you want to pick it the EM4 first or the Yakult first.
Yeah.
It depends on your.
There's no rule, right?
That's right. Like this. We just mix it.
Mm-hmm.
And we mix about 4 or 3. Maybe we're gonna use it 4 here.
Mm-hmm.
4 cups of it.
Okay. The more microorganism, the more faster
That's right.
to be fermented, right?
That's right. 3 and 4. Yeah. It's the smell almost the same like the fermented cassava, guys.
Yeah.
And after that, after we mix all of it, we're gonna wrap it in the plastic. Before it. But after it, after I mix all of it with the molasses,
Yeah.
we must wrap it with the plastic.
Oh.
So the fermentation will starting there.
Yeah.
Now it's the last one, guys.
What's
This is
that?
need 3 or 2 for the food for the bacteria. Maybe
Yeah.
4.
Maybe 4.
Yeah.
It's great.
So it's the 1.1 ratio.
Yeah. You always right with that.
You also always right there. You can correct me if I'm wrong.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Because
Yeah.
I'm not a teacher, you know. We are sharing a knowledge together.
Yeah. Sometimes some
Some mistake will happen.
right?
Yep.
Because we're still human, right?
That's right. We're still human, and human it's okay to have a mistake, you know.
Yeah.
Because we're born to be wrong.
Oh, that's it. All right.
So the next one we mixed it, guys.
You
You
want
can
to-
use your hand
Yeah.
because it's organic and it didn't harmful. It's not harmful for your health.
Okay.
It's safe.
It's
Just mix
safe.
it like this
All right.
until all of it is being mixed up,
Mm-hmm.
and we're gonna
Oh.
cover it with the plastic after it.
And it's changed color now.
It's changing the colors. Look at it more closer.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay.
You can use the technique like this, guys. So
Oh, so it's
yeah, it's more faster
faster
to be ferment
to
to be
be
mixed.
mix it.
So
Okay.
leave here. We didn't need it.
Mm-hmm.
So it's already done. So
And
after that,
this.
we're gonna ferment it until it have the smell like a fermented cassava, guys.
Oh, and
And
that is called an NPK.
Npk liquid, to be honest.
Oh my
And it have a
gosh.
dosage, you know.
Yeah. What is this? Is if we have the fermented is work
Of course, we need 200 milliliters per 15 liters of water. That's for
hmm
spraying, guys.
for
Yeah.
spraying.
And for watering, we
Yeah.
need 300 milliliters per 15 liters of water for watering.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
it
yeah.
just have the 100 milliliters. Wait, oh my god. What is it? It's just 100 milliliters of dosage,
Yeah.
especially in the water. And after that, we're gonna put it here, guys.
Okay.
Maybe I put it later because it's still not done yet. So I
Yeah.
will put it in the behind of the video, guys.
All right.
So we'll see next after it's already done.
Okay.
And we make a video of testing it.
Oh yeah.
If you're curious about it, just always check up to our video and don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification, guys. So you will not going to be dismembered by us.
Yeah.
You will get notification when we upload the video
Okay.
because we upload that video almost every day, guys.
Oh yeah.
Just
Oh,
stay
so
tuned because every day, every new knowledge. That's my motto. See you, everyone. Thank you.